kiss, they pay you. Why you go spend 35 years for Igbo house just because of passport? When another year say don't come and they give happiness. Eh? Why you had 50 years with Igbo? Why my love you? My love who? Today now don't get the passport. Una still they find the love they go. Then all of una don't they turn out to pour on me now. Why? Why? So udege imasha to where we go ashabo imasha ti wono na. I no balegbe for this one now. So I beg you, just if una know that woman mona so free tell her. I beg. If una know her, mona go tell all of una when go pay true to God, it's gonna pay a whole lot of people because the way I want to do am. Una see that one for Australia, only one way or two way, only go me way. Ni me away. Yeah, I too see that day when you say you climb up, you know climb. You see, if I do you, I will legal way. Wowa. I not be those people when they carry their husband go carry their this thing called they show for social media. I not be them. Yeah, I face you. I will just leave everything aside. 1 week off from YouTube. I will be on Facebook. I will so deal with you. Even if I'm not there, this layer like so stop. Okay? Stop. No, give you a do agbe la koko ju ohun. E go me so akoko ju ohun. Iwa won ni we na. Okay? If you want me and you do, I will do it from bomber to bomber. I go deal with you. I not they lie you, I'll beat you as they beat small picking. Okay? So stop that your nonsense when you they talk all this lie when you they lie. Stop am. Come people wait there for you me you add. Oh, they no. If me man me atoru wo we gbe to who wene. That your make's hair you don't barbara. Come on cloth mo usia. You don't shave that your make's hair. Maybe that boy uzua. It may go I never still talk. Okay? Those one are just intro. When I will come, it's going to be bomber to bomber. Yeah, women and bomber. I will take something to represent you and I will flog that until you get blood and not leave them. Okay? So mind your business. If you depressed, go for help. I mean, can I help depressed people? There's a place you help them. No, na jama. Hey, no, talk to me. I don't be awesome. If you try me, not try me. Oh. I just they warn you now. Not try me because you know say I senior you. I'm 58 years old. I'm older than you. I will beat you like a child. I will beat you. Since you don't respect yourself, since when you don't they talk. You don't they talk past boundary now. You don't want to respect yourself. 35 years now we am boy, you know, Milano. 35 years now you take Poibo penis for months before you get that passport or you take come off for that country. So nobody beats you because you're not sure for video. Because you not show up for video, I be that Igbo, you go feel come on live video, carry Bible, make you swear, say that Igbo not the suck your kpekus. Ama when this one not they go do that one now. Now game we play. He lick my hand, Peter lick you. Now what to lick each other? Oh, I don't even know if I can have phone to show it. Now what to do to each other? We can redo it again and again over and over. That's why I say wanna go subscribe. It not be anything. Now game. So if you not know that woman, mona wanna more. One because if I just sit down here, I come from that cargo, I go so deep. I don't go talk to any other. You know my own get the way they be. You get the way they say. But why your own be like this now? Because I went there to a BM way bona. It will say you born for abroad. Say because when you trade de Milano, you de Torino. I will not talk to you. I will think you know the system. But my BM way bo after waiting for passport for 35 years, and then before you enter monopause, that mean you want computer for your body. The time when you decide to take born at time compass, no try me. Okay? If I don't true with people, I don't this social media, I can't like the way it be now. Anybody or you do you something and you know you are innocent of that thing, you know where to carry and go there. You that don't get you. You know. I say George this time. Nobody they can't do no. What here you're dealing with what the vene. Oh yeah, game more here. So that they do now. That's even the best. Because even now I see me, I tawi mata, ita, iwe, mawe. See what he don't do now. So he carried that one. He carried people, come scatter them. I was just watching, looking. You don't even fear. You don't even thought, say, this girl never cost me one day. Oh. It never cost me one day. Oh, okay, may I buy color? May I know if this thing are true? Or may I buy do like this? No, because they do, I be mother. First you go say you be mama today. Tomorrow you come beat her for Facebook. Next tomorrow you call down your daughter. The other day you say you get a naked this thing. Which kind of mother be that one? All those kind of depressed mother. Eh? When you be. Because we not born for real, we they born for media. Stop am. Okay? So guys, that's enough for now. I just make this video for her because don't they talk with you no I just want to remind her say what tell you know my egbe afia I am bogbo wo amuba we get do no mukiani that you get do leg you carry and join her. Okay, do your own as everybody they do their own now. If you want the sock okoba go carry sock do am me they do am for YouTube. Yes, and they do am again. Okay, and they do am. Of course, now it be now. When you person who respect respect you no go give. Even your own blood sister, when you and they call each other that day they talk. That one self even know the kind person where you be. Eh? That one run for see now that one still they run they go. Eh? Ema ya no mo we ya harakwa bi ye kinyari ye ku gboto. Ye no boeku no bowe. All the children, my children are back all of them don't fall now break head, break leg. Eh? This thing, you know they tie away. So I use God beg you. They sell and nobody they talk to you. That they say, do your thing when you they do. Then I do my own way they do. My own don't need to concern you. You know if you can't tell me how I take rule inside my own house, it don't concern you. You know born for abroad now. You don't know how they take for this obodo ibo, you know born. You don't know how they take they buy pampers. You don't know how they take they tie pampers. We maybe the Jamie there, those stay. If now my husband they hungry you, tell me I'll feel borrow you. I go feel borrow you for 2 nights. May can help you. May you throw away that water when you stuck for your brain and or your ear when deaf you. When not make you they see what they follow you. Me, your age, you know how it be. Anything I be to my age, I can be on social media. I'm not making a problem. But you old pass on this one. When children come, they cut poto water they put for their man. Nobody to even advise you. You say you come from social place. I know some people to be responsible people. All over this abroad. And some women, they are very responsible. And some men also very responsible. Go school, no go school. They are responsible. But all when I your way. Maybe two will see me by. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know that they journal. That make you know they know what you they do. So stop amo. Not try me, I beg. I use God beg you. I know that one when you they take the compare. So now house go hustle. Your own outside that you where's your own way more. You know my life there. Okay? So go away you call. What? And that one I tell you. So guys, I bet subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, you go see us both the children they play for outside. Do whatever thing we want make we want do. We they do one. Okay? We like the way we just they live. Happiness now free. Now happiness you not get so. You talk about that they say now YouTube, social media, you take the key your depression. Now you take the key your loneliness. I was just looking, I'm like, no, she really need retreatment. Social media can never cure your depression. You only add to it. Can never cure it. So excuse me, the day when I hear say they talk to me, yeah, they call us Saramo. They don't know say that this Facebook saga they cure depression. I look at you and I shake my head. No, it can never cure your depression. Instead, it will take you from this person to this person. You know that day now you did yesterday, you know how many people will take you. Even that another person still sent message for you yesterday also. Only you did this place. Person warn you. I jumped one video where somebody they warn you say, the way I your constitute warn you so. So I beg, make I put 3 cucumber for my mouth once. Make I do anything when I want to. You know, concern you train your own children. Take care of them. Go play their hair. Go baba them. That one they could my own live for me. We they okay. We they find the way we they. Anyhow, now right time, una talk, you know, if you want carry the picture. I go make ya create this way the way for go make boy. Itamawe go make boy ya boy. Since you lost your respect, a pie the Murphy that day, if they talk that day, he mentioned one word. He said, "This woman never one day insult me." I have never. And anything we don't happen to her for this social media. You never see me on live video because a pie the Murphy. Go for I never do it once. No matter how many views you want give me, I not do it. Not for YouTube, not for here. But do you know that man recognized that thing? Do you know he did? I was shocked when the talker come out that day. Your own, the same thing. I never cursed you once. I never curse you. But you don't go let you take respect yourself because the depression is all over you. So behave, eh? Behave. Me, our total I need a phone number. Yeah, I'll call it. Everybody go they call. I'll really deal with you to my own satisfaction. Then I'll leave you. If now you release, you want release, tell me. I can borrow you, my man. It will come and do you 2 or 3 days. It will help you release all this water. Make you free. Make you be stress free. Like right now, all the thing, all the country full your body, but they say you dey do it for biblioteca. Then try to go do more. Okay, not try me. Oh, and this one I get to tell you now. So bye, guys. Love you. Bye, my people. More than no vessel. I know.